every year. And I'm humbled and also I take pride to also say that ITC is the only company in the world to be water positive, carbon positive and solid waste recycling positive for 1916 and 14 years. And some of our initiatives in this fair also emanate from our Guntur headquarters. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, for your continued support, guidance and encouragement for all our initiatives in Andhra Pradesh. Encouraged by the transformation we are seeing in Andhra Pradesh, we're also committed to investing another 400 crores, which is in the pipeline across largely in the area of food processing, in spices, aqua and upgradation of existing facilities. And we wish to also reiterate our commitment to partner with you in your vision and in the journey of the state in its socio-economic transformation. And once again, Honorable Chief Minister, thank you very much for all your support, all your guidance, and thank you very much for being here with us today. Thank you for this honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for that inspiring address. May I now request you to escort the Honorable Chief Minister for the unveiling of the plaque. Ladies and gentlemen, Andhra Pradesh State has remarkably been productive with schemes like YSR Raitu Bharosa, which stands out as an interesting model for village-level procurement, and pre-announced minimum support. YSR Cheyuta focuses on economic empowerment and middle-aged women through livelihood-linked loans. Schemes like Disha and Abhay has aimed to enhance women's safety and security have made a marked difference in the law and order perception. Several revolutionary measures in the past 2 years to make governance more efficient and transparent. Innovative measures have been taken across sections, and the entire credit goes to the dynamic Chief Minister. Rashtra Prajala Prayojaname Sankalpanga, Abhivruddhe Ayuvu Pattuga, Sankshemame Dhyeyanga, Prajalaki Anda Dandaga Untu, Prajala Nayikudiga Perundina, గౌరవనీయ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారిని ప్రసంగించవలసిందిగా మనవి. May I now request the Honorable CM to deliver the keynote address.
Wonderful to be here. And I personally thank the Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Sanjay Puri ji, for having come all the way to Guntur. As he said, the partnership with ITC offers us a wonderful opportunity. This hotel that we are currently inaugurating is just one among the many initiatives that can be contemplated. In fact, it's wonderful that we have the Guntur town actually has a 5-star hotel. It's wonderful that ITC is part of it. The partnership with ITC, what we look forward in areas, especially in agriculture, especially in food processing, these are the areas where transformational changes could be brought about in the way agriculture is actually perceived. In the state of Andhra Pradesh,